Hi everybody! Shall we make a quilted hot water bottle cover? Okay, it feels to me like this is the season for like emerging crafts that I either forgot I've done before or I just want to have a go at. This time we are going for quilting. Now, I've definitely made a couple of quilts before. I made a really nice one for my grandma, and I put photos on the fabric, and I put photos of like all of me and my sisters and my grandpa and stuff like that. It was really cute. Don't think she uses it, but that's besides the point. Today, we're gonna have a go at making a quilted hot water bottle cover. So as you will have seen in a few of my videos before, I have been getting all my fabric together, and I've been getting all the patchwork bits made up and stuff like that. On my lazy Sunday, I made one panel, so we're going to go through the front half today, and then we're going to see if we can make a hot water bottle cover together. I've had a look at the template that I used. If you haven't checked out my Christmas things to sew, it'll be up here somewhere. It's got all the links in it that you need. I'll pop some down below as well, but that will have all the links that you need, and it talks about me talking about things, which is what I love doing best. In that tutorial, it doesn't actually, you get an outline of the hot water bottle cover, and then it says, cut your squares, stick them together, add some wadding, make a front one, then make two-ish back ones, and then overlap them, and then stick it all together. Right, thankfully I've got enough nous about me that I can work out how to do all of those things, and I know what I want it to look like. So I want it to have an envelope back, so it will look similar to the DIY ruffle cushions that we made. Again, there'll be a video up there somewhere. And so hopefully, I think we can work out how to do it together, but obviously I have to bring you on the journey. So let's go. Just a quick one. I got a poorly puppy today. Look at him. He's my poorly boy. No, he's not happy, are you, darling? He's having a bad day. And he's not very happy. He's got a poorly tummy. And when you're this big and when you're this hyper and you've got a poorly tummy, life is not fun. Is it, my darling? Hey, bit of rice for lunch. That'll cheer him up, hopefully. Nice cushion, though. Okay, I've got squares, I've got wadding, I've got template. It's got a line in the middle, but that's where I stuck it together. That's not where, or maybe that is where the envelope's supposed to be, but irrelevant. And here's one I made earlier. Ta-da! So we're going to go through the process now. I'm going to lay out my squares into a pattern. I wonder if I can match it up with the front one. We'll see how that goes. Let's do that now. I don't want to talk about how long this just took me to work out that if I just mirror it, no, not even mirror it, if I duplicate it, it will work out in line. I was there for ages putting them all out in different orders and things. Oh my days. Anyway, so I've laid it all out. I'm going to take a quick photo just in case. Oh, actually, no, I've got this one, so I don't need to worry about it. So because we're just duplicating that, I'm going to pick them up 2 by 2 and sew them together. Oh, no, wait. Actually, this time I'm going to do it a bit different. Last time I had a bit of a mismatch in the middle, and it was because I sewed them together the wrong way, I think. So I've watched a YouTube tutorial from Lovecrafts, and it's like, make your own DIY quilting blanket from nothing. I was like, great, I've got next to nothing going on up there. This will be perfect. So I used that, and they say so I was doing it in pairs, and then I was doing it together. If you watch my video back, you'll understand. But they said that I have to do it in strips down. So I'm going to sew it in strips down and then put the 4 strips together. So hopefully they will match up a bit better. Obviously it would help if I was more delicate with my cutting, and if I was better at my getting my seam allowances to stay straight and to stay at the right quarter inch or third inch or whatever it is. But it's not me. If you can't already tell, I'm on coffee number 5 of the day. Right, all my strips are done, and then I'm going to press them. It says on the tutorial that you're not to press like that. You just press down. Maybe I've been doing it wrong all these years. Right. I have pinned them together on the sides and it's come out looking like this. That's not too bad. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm just gonna sew up the edge of this one and then sew them together. They're pretty even. That one's a bit dodge, but yeah, they're not too bad. I don't know about you, but any time that I've done patchwork before, I've always gone in a square. So I've done like, it's like you've got like a middle point to be able to match everything up with. But I think obviously because I'm doing a rectangle, I can't do that this time around. So maybe that's why I'm struggling a little bit. Also, I think what I might do is invest in some charm packs and have a little practice and see if I can get a bit better at it, and just a bit better, because I know that part of my issue is that I'm not very good at cutting. I have asked for a rotary cutter for Christmas, so we'll see if that comes. But in the meantime, I can get some charm packs and have a little practice. If anybody knows where there's some good value charm packs or some really pretty ones, especially for Christmas, can you pop a comment down below, please, so that I can have a look at them? Thank you. Voila! 2 panels. I didn't think it through. So it's going to be a snug old envelope backing because I've got this much to play with. Why didn't I think that through? But that's okay, we can work with that. I also haven't got any spray glue, so I can't. I'm going to have to just layer and tack it around the edges, the wadding, rather than sticking it down. But that's okay. Right, let's get cutting. Okay, we have front panel with wadding, back panel including envelope. I've bodged it a little bit. Just because I was so worried about the size of the envelope, I just added a little offcut onto there. If you would like to make one of these, make sure that you allow for extra space for your envelope opening. I've just really briefly tacked down the edges so that I can cut the pieces accurately, and also I don't want the wadding to have to go through the machine like 3 or 4 times over. So I'm going to tidy those up, and then I'm going to tack these edges together, and then front to back, sew all around, job's a good un. I love that, job's a good un. Like it's not at least half an hour's work. Right, moment of truth. Let's turn this baby inside out. I've gone around the edges as well, around the corners, and just cut some thingies in just so that the corners sit a bit nicer. I will admit that I missed a step out that I completely forgot about, and it wasn't until I was looking at it and I was like, oh, it looks really nice inside, doesn't that look pretty? And I realised that I hadn't done the lines along the quilting, but so maybe this isn't a quilted cover, maybe it is just a patchwork lined water bottle cover. So ignore whatever the thumbnail says, it was a complete lie because I forgot this last step, but I will know for next time, so that's pretty good. I might, so this one's going to be for my grandma, and I might make one for my mother-in-law as well because she does love a hot water bottle. That woman, she loves to be warm, They're on holiday at the moment, in fact. Who goes on holiday in beginning of December? People with lives, that's who. People with lives. I'm struggling a little bit. Hang on. Oh, look! Oh, I'm really happy with it. Look at that. And because I'd added that extra bit, let me show you. Can you even see where I've added it? Because I added that extra bit, it made such a difference to the opening. Oh, I'm really happy with it. Oh, it looks really cool. And, oh my goodness. I don't even have a hot water bottle to be able to test it out. I'm going to have to go buy one tomorrow. But I'm so pleased. So this is my no longer quilted, but now patchwork hot water bottle with an envelope opening and quilted, padded inside. Be warned, people, these things are addictive. Already I'm thinking, like, who else do I know that would like one? I really enjoyed making that. It was really lovely. Thank you so much for coming along with me. As ever, don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the buttony things, and I will see you next week. I'm going to the Christmas market tomorrow, so I will video that and I will pop that up for Wednesday's video and we can all go Christmas shopping together. It'll be so lovely. See you soon. Bye.